Hello, this is Vivek. In this video, we'll see media settings and permalink settings in our WordPress installation. Here I'm going to media. We have already seen these media settings while working on a media section. Here, these are the settings for media. These are the three sizes: thumbnail size, medium size, and large size. And another one is original size. And whenever we are uploading an image to our WordPress website, it will be cropped into three sizes based on the WordPress core settings. And if your theme supports other sizes, and it will be cropped into other sizes also based on your theme settings and theme requirements. And while uploading these files, it will be organized into month and year based folders in our WordPress installation. And these files will be under WP content uploads directory. Here, if I go to this cPanel, I'll show you in a cPanel. I'm logging in again. I'm on File Manager, WP content, uploads. Whatever we are going to upload here through media library, it will be under WP content uploads, and based on the year and month. These are all the images I have uploaded, and it's cropped. Here you can see this is the original image, and these are the different variations it's cropped. For all these images, it's original, this is original, and it's cropped into these sizes. And if you want to change these sizes, you can update these sizes, but it's not recommended. Go with the default, and based on your theme settings and theme recommendations, you can update this at a later time. And next is permalinks. One more thing about media is whenever you change a WordPress theme, use regenerate thumbnails. This is because while uploading plugin, all these thumbnails are already generated, and if your theme requires different sizes of images, you should regenerate them. For that purpose, we'll use that regenerate thumbnails plugin. It creates all the images based on the requirement of your theme, and I'll show you how to use this plugin. It's just a simple plugin. Install and click on regenerate plugins whenever you update your theme. And if you are not seeing the images in correct sizes or correct shapes, you can use that plugin. I'll show you in plugin section how you can use it. And next is permalinks. Here, if I see our article's URL, it's based on year, month, date, and article name. Here you can see it's selected the same. Here it's a website URL, and after that year, month, date, and the post. If you see here, this is a pattern: year, month, day, and the post name. If you want to, you can choose different patterns based on numeric. That is category name and the post ID, and also post name. You can update based on the post name. I'll save these settings here. Here are the available options. You can just click on this, and this will be generated. You can only choose a year and a post name, or you can choose a post name hyphen post ID slash is not required, and this is combined with the URL. If I save these changes on my website, I'm using this post name slash post ID for articles, and this URL settings will be applied only to, I'm going to blog, and this URL settings will only apply to posts, not the pages. Pages always clean URLs. If I go to this article, it's a post 7, that's the ID when I'm creating it. And here if I say it's a hello world one, and you can choose a pattern based on your requirement, and choose this permalinks pattern while creating your website. Don't change it after launching your website, because your page has already been crawled by search engines, and it becomes difficult. If you change this permalinks pattern, it will become difficult for search engines to crawl again, and you will lose existing traffic In that case, you have to redirect the old URLs to new URLs. That's what you have to do. Instead of going through that pain, just choose a URLs pattern while before launching the website, and don't change it after launching the website. And you can use the redirections plugin. If you have a limited articles, 10, 20, 30 articles, you can redirect those URLs with redirection plugins, or else you can use HT access code to redirect old URLs to new URLs. Always better to use go with the post name. It's a best thing. And here we have here we can choose the URL settings for category base and tag base also. If you want add anything for categories and tags, you can enter this enter the words you want to go with in between categories and tags here, so that this will be applied. Here you can see an example. For categories, you can choose a topics word. It will be placed in between the category name and the website name, and same for tags also. By default it will be category slash uncategorized, or if I check other article, okay, I should reload this page. If I'm clicking on, it's going to previous page. Here you can see what's happening. That page is showing as 404 after updating the links. That's a problem you will get. Here you can see year month date is missing. If I go with the year month date URL, it will show a 404 error. Here if I am clicking on this subcategory, here you can see it's a category, and after that main category and the subcategory, you can change this category select to anything you want. You can specify it here. And also for tags it's the same. It's a new tag, in between it's a tag, and if you want to change it to something different, you can enter that word here and it will be applied. That's about settings in WordPress. And I have skipped discussion settings. We'll see these discussion settings in comment section.